Are you looking for cool things to make out of cardboard boxes? Guess what? You're in the right place because we have two awesome DIY ideas for you. In this tutorial, we're showing you how to turn cardboard into creative pieces. So let's get started with the first project. Get started making your own cardboard crafts by saving up cardboard boxes, toilet paper rolls, tissue boxes, and any other cardboard you would recycle. The DIYer is making a box that looks like a book. It's a brilliant idea, isn't it? She is decorating the front of the book with flowers made out of pistachio shells. More decorative details. Oh wow, this just keeps getting better. Don't you guys love it? Feel free to paint the box that you're making based on your own preference, while the DIYer is using green and black. Simply wow! For the other half of this video, the DIYer is sharing with you the steps on how to make another box design. The required materials are cardboard, metal hinges, white glue, self-hardening clay, scissors, and more. It's time to assemble all the parts together and to start decorating the lid of the box. Simple yet amazing details. To make the decorations, the DIYer is using cardboard and white glue. And for the other details, she's using self-hardening clay and silicone molds. Last touches. So, what do you guys think of this box so far? It's amazing, isn't it? The DIYer is painting the box with black and blue acrylic paint. We're loving it! How about you guys?